Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 21/6/2023 and the time is 9:30. First of all, Pranam to market and my gurus as well as my members was able to uh, get that combination TCD in PEL. It was a real rocker. And apart from that, why I was very happy because the exact number was 922. And we predicted that number, I think, 10 days before. And today, the upper freeze happened exactly at 922. And from there, it went to 970 and it came down and closed somewhere around 950 level. We exited 80% of the position and we are holding another 20% of the position. And thanks to Telegram members, because whatever profit they made today, it is because of their conviction on the stock, not because of I recommended that stock. So they had the conviction, they bought the stock and they held on to the stock and then they made some very good money today. So thanks to everyone and especially thanks to market and as well as to my gurus and my members who worked hard to get that combination TCD. See, always remember one thing. Whenever any stock is coming into a combination with the yearly date, today is the yearly date for PEL. See, today many people can say that the news was there, some serum transport, whatever, they are talking something. But we don't care about all that. We are predicting this date 1 month before. We are predicting this date 1 month before. And we told PI Industries on 23rd May that it is going to be the stock of the month for June. Why? Because on in the month of May, on 23rd May, it had a yearly date. With yearly date combined with another 2 more dates or 3 more dates, the explosion will be more. And PEL took roughly around, let's say, 20 days to give the 20%. But PEL, it did 20% in 2 days' time. Why? Because the yearly date combined with 3 combination dates. And 19th was the combination, 20th was the combination, 20th was the trend change date, and 21st was the yearly date. So whenever the yearly date combined with another few more time cycle date, the explosion is evident. The explosion is evident, and it may happen on the upside or it may happen on the downside. And that is where you need to use your own system. The numbers has to be there to predict where it will go and all that, and where you need to buy. See, the simple prediction is above 796, the target is 922, because the 796 was the short-term number and the long-term number is 922. So till it is going to hold that 922, it is going to do some wonders, It may even go to 984, which was my next target, and the next target is 1030. All these targets we already mentioned in the webinar itself, as well as on the Sunday webinar itself. So this is how it opens. So let's go and see what happened in PEL. The numbers, how it dropped actually. Okay, so this is Nifty today. Morning it gave a sell, came down, again it gave a buy. And after that, it was a one-side move, and this is the 1 minute fake sell. None of the candle closed to below this low. It was a fake sell. And again, it went up closed here. We are showing this in 1 minute candle. Okay, now let's go to the PEL. Okay, so this is daily. So above 796, the target is 922, and that is where it went and opened here. Exactly. Even today, low is 922 only. 922 only. And again, from there, it went to 971. So you need to mark today's high and low. Today's high and low. So whichever side it breaks, on the upper side, I'm expecting 984 and 1030. These two are major resistance for PEL. So now what happens? In case if the market now the stock, if it is going to consolidate around 840 850 level, and once this 922 and 796 will converge in some time, it takes even a month or it takes even 15 days, whatever it is, it will converge at some point of time. If that convergence happens, if let's say the convergence happens at 850, then the target is double from 850. Then the target is double from 850, which is 1700. Okay, here you will not get all these numbers in any graph at all, but this is how the number works. This is how the number works. So that is what I told in HPCL also. 252 and 263 or 200, 252 and one more, 246 and 252. So once that number converge, you cannot stop that stock. It will give double from 250. But it takes time. Don't think that it will happen in a 6 months time and all that. It will take time, but the stock will eventually double. The stock will eventually double till it holds 246. For example, I will show you in Petro. Okay, today it is 274, and if you go to daily, so the number was 244 and 259. Okay, so this 244 is the short-term number, 259 is the long-term number. So what happens? It will try to consolidate somewhere here, and more or less, again, it may even come and touch 259 also. And if it does that, then it will be very good for the stock. So it will try to consolidate somewhere here, and the convergence will happen somewhere around 253 to 254. Once it is done, then you will see a real move in Petro. So this is how we predict the target, and today it was a real rocker of the show. Okay, and as I already told you, Adani Group, and we have taken some portion in Adani Group today, and we have taken Ambuja with 2 rupees stop loss, and Adani Port with the 8 rupees stop loss, and all close to very well. And Adani Enterprises, we may take a position tomorrow. That's based on the market. Now let's go and see the PPT. Okay, so this is for 22nd June, and blessing and disguise. Today we had a very small narrow candle. Okay, so mark the high and low of this candle. You can trade this high and low till 21st September. Till 21st September it is valid. So mark the high and low of today. Take the trade whichever side it's going to go. Okay, and Adani combination TCD first, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. So when these kind of things happen, some miracle will happen in the stock. But don't think it has to go only on the upside only. It's not like that. Mark the high and low, take the trade whichever side it goes. Don't try to marry any stock here, whether it is Adani or Ambani. It is your money, you are going to trade. So mark the high and low, whichever side it breaks, you take the trade. Whether it is a long or a short, you need to do that. Okay. So Pranam to market as well as Guru, and to my members, those who really worked hard to get the dates. And the weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low will do the more magic. Most probably, according to me, tomorrow will be a lot of ups and downs based on Astro also. So instead of using 1 minute time frame to trade, we use 3 minutes time frame to trade tomorrow. And most probably the move will happen after 225. After 225. So watch out for 220 to 225 candle. So in case if the move happens, the bigger move happens, it has to happen at 220 to 225 in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty, So it is prudent to trade stocks rather than index tomorrow till 220 to 225. Anyway, we have our numbers, we have our timings. So we will try to take the trade based on that. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty future, this was the exact high today. It is not able to break this high, 44030. And it is coming and testing again and again this number and going up and closing again. I don't know why this is happening. This is happening for the 4th time. Again, it closed today at 43909. And if you see again, this 43909 and 43978 is number which you need to look out for. On the higher side, this too will have a major resistance. And today the exact high was the weekly number, which is 44030. And we are writing this number from Sunday. Okay, let's see how the market is going to go. And coming to Nifty, nothing to worry about it. Again, the convergence happened Nifty. So let's see whether Nifty is going to give some kind of a thumbs up move tomorrow on the weekly expiry. Okay. And till now, based on the weekly spot number, the buy is not initiated. The buy should be only above 18890. Until now, both Nifty and Bank Nifty is not able to close above 19 high, which is the important Astro date. And today also is an Astro date. Okay. And coming to trend change date stock, Chola and MSFL. MSFL has already given 5% move today. So let's see whether it is going to continue tomorrow also. And Chola Finance is what for tomorrow, and L&T. These are all on 23rd, and 23rd we will see all this. And Apollo Tire and PEL is the must watch counter from tomorrow. Apollo Tire is having a yearly date, and it is at the all-time high. It is at the all-time high. And this is what I was talking about you in the beginning. So this is the trend change date stocks. This is the trend change date stocks. So now if you go here, so let's go to May month. So May month, PI Industries had a yearly date. When it is in yellow color, it is yearly date. Okay. So when the yearly date combines with two more dates in the month of June, which is this one, 8th and 15th, the move will be like this. The move will be like this. See, if you see other stocks, all these stocks are having two combinations. And again, I'm saying, kindly watch Chambal Fertilizer. Both date converge and it is trading only within that range. Only within that range. Whenever it closes above, I think 282 was the high. I think that is the high. 1 second, I will show you. Yeah, 282 and 278.6. This was trading within this number, which is a very small range for very long time with the time. So the breakout will be massive. The breakout will be massive on the higher side. So watch out for Chambal Fertilizers. Don't miss Chambal Fertilizers. So now again, see, DL had a trend change date, Titan had a trend change date. Why Titan? Because Titan had a yearly date here. And if you go last month, Titan had two trend change date. And that is why the miracle will happen. When three dates combined with the yearly date, it will give massive move. It will give massive move. Okay. So now these are the other stocks which is for this month, but none of them have combination TCD, and believe me, the dark horse will be Concur. Kindly keep a watch. We are already watching this counter, and something going to happen. And Jubilee Food, watch out. The date is 30th. The date is 30th, and it combined with the yearly date. So now the next lookout will be Pizza. Now the next lookout will be Pizza, and the date is 30th. And the date is 30th. So 19th, you all mark the high and low. So I've already marked the high and low of Jubilee Food here. It is 501 and 493. And it is trading within the range. So there is no short or long initiated in this counter. If it prolongs till 30th, the move will happen 30th. Maybe you may get a mega move next month, maybe on the upper side, or maybe on the lower side. So Jubilee Food Pizza should be in radar for the month of July. Okay, very simple. That's all. Okay, that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And time always more important than price. Whenever time combined with the price, it will show explosion. It will show explosion, and that is what it is happened. The 796 was the price, and it broke that on the trend change date. And yesterday I made a video that, why 838 and 860 is very, very crucial for PEL, because 838 to 860 was the yearly date high and low, which happened last year. And exactly it closed at 838 yesterday. So two times combined with the four combinations, this is what the explosion will happen. This is how the explosion will happen. So you need to do a little bit of homework to get all these stocks. Most probably I'll try to get two more stocks next month also. And still I'm keeping an hope on Tata Power. In case if it is not done this month, maybe the stock of the month will be, next month. And keep a watch on Idea. We have taken some good position today. Keep a watch on Idea. Something is cooking. Possibility that any close above 8 rupees 85 paisa or 8 rupees 89 paisa, I'm expecting 18 rupees. I'm expecting 18 rupees. So keep a radar. And we have taken in cash, we have taken 1 lakh shares today. We will build up some position in options also in the days to come. So that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow with the 907 magical number, with the combination time in case if it comes. In case if it comes, and my humble request is, in case if you made money, please write some comments under this YouTube video. Whatever comments, try to write honest comments about the PEL and PI industries. And that's all my ask from my side. See you soon tomorrow. Until then, good night.